So we have this question. It says x is to y is equal to 3 is to 1. Then x cube minus y cube is to x cube plus y cube is equal to what? Okay. So from x is to y is equal to 3 is to 1, we can write let x equals to 3k and y equals to 1k or k. Okay. Now we have x cube minus y cube is to x cube plus y cube. Okay, now let replace the value of x and y in this ratio. So we can have 3k whole cube minus k cube is to 3k whole cube plus k cube. So from here it will be 27k cube minus k cube. We'll have 26k cube is to this is 27k cube plus k cube is equal to 28k cube. Okay, now k cube and k cube gone. So divide this by 2 we'll have 13 and divide this by 2 we'll have 14. So answer will be 13 is to 14. So option 1 is the correct answer.